Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Youngjun. Online, I'm Game Domi. I'm an IS engineer with experience on other platforms. Today, I will show you how Tuist can boost your build iteration using new or improved features since 2024. First, let me introduce myself. I started iOS in 2010 with Objective-C, but my first app was in 2015 with Swift. I quit my first job and made apps at home for 1 year, and I earned $800 per month. Since 2018, I made education apps, a personal mobility app, and telecom customer service apps. Now I'm updating my apps to SwiftUI and helping translate Tuist to Korean. Here's what we'll cover today. First, a quick recap of Tuist. Second, new features since 2024. Third, where to get help. And last, Tuist's plan for 2026. I first learned about Tuist and this Meetup at 2024. Do you remember that Pedro, the CEO of Tuist, visited Korea? He, he gave us a session called Challenges of Using Xcode at Scale and Pizza. We sometimes have conflict in Xcode projects. They're hard to read, so they're hard to fix. Tuist's main idea is simple. You write Swift code to create an Xcode project. You don't edit the Xcode project manually. Of course, there are other solutions, but they use YAML. Tuist uses Swift. All you need is Swift and generate command. The Tuist team also makes builds faster. Just using Tuist can reduce build time a lot. As projects grow, it is hard to see dependencies. Tuist creates a great image to show it in. Now let's see what the Tuist team did after returning to their company. Xcode has a cache system. Tuist makes it better by using Cloud Cache. Start with sub-cache command. It will tell you what to do. You need a full handle, that's your organization name, /project name. This is a current feature, so you need to add the new project on the dashboard. Or create it with project create command. Some features work even with a regular Xcode project, but it doesn't allow you to specify the project name. This is a cloud feature. When the Xcode project is integrated with Tuist, a new Tuist project is automatically created with the Xcode project name on the cloud. Here's Xcode cache on the dashboard. It shows the average of cache key read and write speed. It also shows CAS output, download, and download speed. What is CAS? You can see CAS output in the Xcode build log. CAS stands for Content Addressable Storage. It's Xcode's cache system from Xcode 14. According to Wikipedia, in short, it's a storage method that uses content-based hashing. Let me show you a demo. Here's a very simple Xcode project. I will integrate this with Tuist. I'm going to run init command and choose integrate on Xcode project. Cloud cache is so feature, so yes. After login process, 어, 너무 빨리 갔네. I'm sorry. 어, I'm sorry. 다시 해야 돼. I should choose an organization or create a new one. I'm going to create a new organization. iOS Meetup. So, first created the configuration file, and I can see iOS Meetup organization and the Xcode project on the dashboard. A full handler is configured in the configuration file. Now I'm going to set up cache, but it printed a guide how to set up build settings. This is a very complex, so I'd like to use this project. It was printed guide, but it is simple. I should add just enable caching. So set cache command enable the Xcode cache while build. 뭔가 이상한데. sorry. I can see the message, cache key corrected message. This means Xcode found the cache for the key from Tuist Cloud and can download it. When I forgot to set up the cache, CI raised the cast error, and this made the build extremely slow. Next is module cache. It means binary caching. Imagine we have an app that depends on the network module. The workspace looks like this. The cache command maps modules with binaries and downloads them on the cloud. Binary means access framework. Binary maps builds faster, but not much faster here because my MacBook used slow Wi-Fi to download the cache. The module cache dashboard shows the cache command status and the cached modules. Don't use cache for race builds. Cache is for debug modules. You can generate without cache by specifying cache profile as none. Xcode cache is unlimited even for free users. Model cache limit is 200. It's based on clean build count. You can also choose seed-based plans. Contact at Tuist.dev. This is from Pedro. Let me show them. This project has only one network module. I'm going to run cache command to make binary modules and almost them on the cloud. Tuist recommends to run this command to warm up the cache. And you should generate first on CI. When it is finished, I can see the messages creating excessive framework for network and storing binaries. But the generation doesn't use binary for network module because default option is using the binaries only for external dependencies. We can use all binaries by specifying profile as all possible or specifying model name. I'm going to use the model name here. This means I'd like to use all binaries excepting the app module. So I can see which modules are replaced with caches. And I can see excessive framework for network module. Registry is selective package's original feature. It replaces URLs with IDs. It downloads zip files, not entire git history, so it's faster. You can find the ID on selective package index. For Firebase, the URL is firebase/firebase ISSDK. So the ID is firebase.firebase.isSDK. The pattern is organization name.package name. To use these IDs, you need to set up a registry using registry setup command. Or add a new generation option, registry enabled. This option was introduced due to my complaint. Tuist registry used to need login. Now it's open. You can use the registry without authentication. They also plan to support private packages. Let me show you them. This project depends on selective packages with IDs. So the generation would be failed. Oh, 잠깐만. sorry. 안 돼야 되는데. 이게 남아있어. Sorry. Registry would be failed. Without setup. After setting up a registry, generation works. I had to generate twice on CI because registry requires access workspace. By specifying a new generation option, no more registry command needed.
Sorry, I've used this pretty long time ago. Are you saying that now registry is
Mandatory?
If I can use
no, but it just can make generation faster little. Yeah.
Because we used it in our local setup, in our setup. We have our own machine.
They plan to support local or private packages, but not ready. Yeah. They have a plan.
Yeah, but like maybe 4 years ago, we just used to go. Maybe that time it was not. It was a little bit different. No compulsory registry. We used Swift package manager to manage, but it was all local.
I guess we should ask Pedro. Yeah. Maybe. And you just select. When we create a new project with a Tuist in command, Tuist would ask, would you like to show features? If you say yes, selective testing turns on. But the command name is test, not selective test. Selective testing can skip tests you don't need. Second time you run test, it says no test to run. Additionally, there are cannot find package warnings. Why not touch? Because Tuist removes the tagged package, and this is a cause for the warnings. How does Tuist decide which tag to skip? Tuist has the hash command. You can see the hashes with selective testing option. The test dashboard shows which tests passed or failed and how long they took. Let me show them. This project has multiple modules. They contain test targets. Test command generate the project and run all tests. Mm, slow. You should skip the one. Just I'm I would speak. Uh, that's command skip touch when I run again. And if I modify feature B, the test command run touch for modules which depends on features B. But we can clean up cache for selective testing even with remote options. So I had to remove the project to show you the demo. If you want to all test without cache, specify a selective testing option. There is a hidden feature inside. It has a different command name, inspect. The inspect command automatically unloads data to Twist Cloud, so you can see the build analytics, but no extra work needed. You can also see the build time for each device and configuration. So you can find which environment is slower or faster. I said that this is a hidden feature. Twist creates the post-build script automatically for Twist projects, but you need to add it yourself for regular Xcode projects. The test option is for testing. You can see total touch, failed count, and average time. Twist creates the script to run Twist inspect for you. Click the dev text so you can see the dashboard of a Twist project and the Twist organization. You don't need a Twist account. They opened their dashboard. So you can see all Twist features in this dashboard. Oh, sorry. Hmm? Before, we needed Twist token for Twist features. Now they support OIDC. No token needed if you connect with GitHub. Go to integrations and install GitHub app. But it doesn't mean a macOS app. It means installing Twist app on your GitHub account. And choose repositories to show with Twist. Then connect your Twist project to your GitHub repository. No more tokens, but you need to do one thing. OIDC requires ID token write permissions on CI. Please see the GitHub documentation for details. The Twist Slack channel was closed when Pedro invited me. Now it's open. You can join and ask the Twist CEO, CTO, and Dozu, their AI chatbot. You can also find Pedro on KakaoTalk in our Meetup chat and my Twist chat room. Tuist also has its own content platform, forum, but I couldn't join it. Confirmation email doesn't work. Last year, I read the last Tuist blog post and summarized where we go from here section. The biggest plan is under the support. You would be able to run Tuist Rider, like Tuist Xcode build. They're also optimized from the features. Android support is almost ready. Gradle cache is ready. This feature introduced last week, but I couldn't test it because I'm not Android developer. For the rest page, Pedro sent us a short video. Let's see.
Hi, I'm Pedro. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Tuist, and I'm recording this video for Lee, for all of you, for the meetup from Berlin. And I want to share with all of you that it's very exciting what is happening in our industry. I've never had so much fun building software, and I think a lot of things are going to change. You're probably noticing that. And we've spent a lot of time thinking about what role is Tuist going to play in all of this. As you know, we've started like helping Apple developers with a strong focus on productivity. And if there's one thing that is becoming very obvious with coding agents is that you want compilation, you want test runs to be fast. Otherwise, it doesn't matter how fast inference goes. If you have to wait for 10 minutes for some compilation to finish, it's kind of frustrating. So we're slowly turning Twiz into a dev productivity platform that you can plug your agents into and your projects and your build systems into. And we're going to take care of making things faster for all of you. So you're going to see a lot of us going into other tool chains. Android support is coming soon. We're also thinking about Bazel. We're thinking about other build systems. And it's going to be amazing. If you haven't had the chance to play with Twist, just set it up. It's just installing the CLI, running init command, or you can also do everything through the dashboard. But you need to try to see how cool it is that suddenly something that used to be slow is fast, or you suddenly have access to information that you didn't have access to before. I'm here to answer any questions that you have. You can reach out to me. My email is pedro@twist.dev, and I will be happy to guide you through the process of testing. We have been working also with some Korean companies to try the server, to try those features, and they were super happy with the results that they saw. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions, if you would like to learn more about Twist, if you would like to get involved with the community like Lee has been doing. You're amazing. Twist is huge in South Korea. You love it. We've invested a lot in like having our content and everything translated to speak Korean. And yeah, I hope you're having fun in the meetup. I hope you had a great talk with Lee. He's amazing. He's our best ambassador in the area, and hopefully we'll get to see all of you in South Korea. We're thinking about doing a trip. So yeah, thank you everyone. 감사합니다, and see you.
Before this presentation, I wrote 3 articles about Twist. You can read them on my Medium. Please send me any questions or suggestions on LinkedIn, KakaoTalk, and Slack. I'd like to get an iOS job in Seoul or remote. Thanks for staying on the tent despite my poor English. Any other question?
Yeah, the best one. Any question? Yeah. You know, actually, um, my team, like 4 years ago, for about 3 years, we spent a lot of time and sweat on Twist. We shifted to Bazel that time, and I mean, we tried a lot of things. We were using XP Project Gem to build our own system. Like we were nearly trying to build our own system based on XP Project, and then we switched to Bazel. And I heard that from like a long time ago that we still support Bazel. I heard the same thing from Pedro. So yeah, it's interesting, right? You will have to like 4 years and doing the same thing. So I don't know what's the strategy about Bazel. Do you have any idea about Bazel? Because XC project is kind of dead, but I think Twist and Bazel are still fighting for that spot, right?
But I didn't use any other tools like Twist.
Okay.
Only one.
Okay. There is something called Tuist, Tulsi from Google.
Tulsi?
Used to work with Bazel. Very similar thing. Because Bazel use some complicated make-file format, Skyline. So Twist, it was easy because of space. That's why we explored it. But maybe it didn't work out that way for us. Anyway, thanks. Yeah. I'm sorry, I'm pretty
Sorry.
Yeah, I just on what you said. When you used when you switched to Vexel, was it because you needed something that support iOS and Android at the same time for the same time?
That's what I just thought. It is because we are like a very big code base. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, very big code base. Like some 500,000 lines. And we had like 700 modules. We created it for 700 modules. So we wanted something. I mean, it was both modularization project and both managing. Managing Bazel was really difficult because of Skyline. But yeah, we ended up using it.
Any other question? Yeah. The microphone for
in production, is there any issue like stability or safety or performance?
Twist is a good tool, but they develop the features every day. So suddenly not working could not working. So I always ask them on the Slack. So I'm sorry, I'm working on it. Yeah. Yes.
anyone else?
But there must be a stable version
Version.
usually there's a stable version and there's no.
But it caused also not CLI from server or cache problem could be happened. So
So there in Unix world, there used to be something called as real programmers. You can search for it, like a big real programmers. One of that was real programmers don't write commits. Real programmers don't sit in station. Just because they look. So the production. That's how maybe because that thing is small.
I had one question about I've been in Korea for 3 years. I heard a lot about the Korean area. In the TV videos always talk about three strong, like quite large companies you need in Korea. So do you have like an overview about how it's popular in Korea? Is it very popular? Or do you know any big companies?
I guess Twist is Korea is a best Twist user. Because many big companies mentioned about Twist and iOS developers mentioned about and online chat room like my Twist chat room.
They do use it. Do they use it? Is it in production?
Well, I'm not sure, but many developers are interested in the tool.
It's interesting because based on what you said, is building every day is not stable. That big company would choose Tuist. They always go for something stable. That's
I think the other point I realized in this part of our conversation, or specifically Korea, everything is in-house. You don't trust anybody else. Like, I mean, if they would have their own data center, they would have done it. But there is no choice. That's why they're using otherwise. No third party. Everything is. I think it's one of the reasons. Even if they would clone it, they would build it in-house, install it, and use it. They will not use your enterprise. Yeah, it's very different.
Is it available
On-premise.
Yeah, on-premise. Like, can you take? Is there like a Docker file server for like dashboard?
No, I didn't try it yet. I'm all in.
It's very difficult on-premise to manage. Like, for example, one of the things they mentioned about is data test, right, or data test. It's a very good feature from data. So data enterprise, right, they make a lot of money from that. Because when you have very big code bases, right, it takes like 30 minutes to run the test. But if you use this deep test, maybe within 5 minutes, you can run. Yeah. So Kubernetes uses Gradle enterprise. So I don't know about others, but I tried my best to get it because it's best. Gradle enterprise. I think Tuist is actually moving in the same direction as their Seoul. They're offering their caching system and all those things. Gradle handle their productivity.
I'm not on the stack of one of people told me questions or this feature is Pedro's.
Yeah, Pedro sometimes speak in Korean with translator. Yeah, so sometimes he asked us they wanted to anything for Korean users. So I sent him a small review memo. So my review in their yeah. 여기 있었던 것 같은데. Yeah, this is what this is the one. Yeah. Pedro asked us about this in my Tuist chat room. So other developers and me sent him this using email. But he chose my
I often see Tuist posting like decent success cases for big companies like levels of he must be because
I think that the problem is for iOS, right? Then you pay Apple for it.
Can you open and get me the Tuist point version? I was just curious.
please translate Tuist. There are many words and not translated yet. Pedro applied DeepL recently, but it sometimes make a bad translation. So I should edit it and say,
Can you come back
uh,
on the previous the three place type?
translate.
Just the logo.
Uh,
Pretty much really
okay.
there was so far. Yes, so far. Anyone else has any questions? I think I have one. I think I asked Pedro the same. It was every time when you start a new project, you use
Yeah, now I'm always using Tuist.
even if it's more big every project. Do you think there is a real value and it's
Well, I have only small project now. I can't use Twist for server company project yet. I'd like to use. I'd like to go such a company.
you have already a project without integrated you already have a project without
The integration feature for Xcode the project was not before, so I tried it just to show you demo.
It's actually twist can give you benefit only when your project is modular.
Yes.
So basically, you have to first invest in modularity. For example, we have to invest 2 years into breaking it, and then you can use whatever. The other problem is when you have a big team, then you need to have a platform team which can take care of this kind of thing. Engineers, because people come in, they go out, and then somebody comes in and says, "Oh, then I don't know how to build that on." Either it's actually a small team, everybody knows it's good. Otherwise,
It's as beneficial as if the project is small, like one person. Yeah.
Small project also can have a benefit, like this, 9 seconds to 3 seconds for build. And this screenshot, when I catch this screenshot, I didn't any add additional option or cache setting of cache. Just I created converted the Xcode project to Twist, and I could this benefit.
more questions.
I hope.
Thank you so much.